BrainyBuyer.com presents another rapid-fire showdown. We crunch the specs, you make the call. Subscribing is the easiest way to keep this channel independent and data-driven. Okay, so we're looking at two super-automatic espresso machines, huh? The Breville Barista Touch and the De'Longhi Dinamica.
Yep. And right off the bat, the Breville seems a bit more user-friendly with that touchscreen. The De'Longhi has an LCD display, which is fine, but not as slick.
True. The Breville also lets you save up to 8 personalized coffees. That's pretty cool if you're picky, or if multiple people in your house have different preferences. Does the De'Longhi let you save settings?
It does. The De'Longhi has a My Menu button where you can store your preferred strength, size, and milk amount. So both have that personalization aspect, just implemented differently. The De'Longhi boasts 18 espresso and specialty coffee recipes, though.
18? Wow, that's a lot. The Breville lists 5 pre-programmed favorites, so the De'Longhi definitely wins on variety and number of drinks you can make. What about the milk frothing?
The De'Longhi has the Latte Crema system, which is adjustable and self-cleaning. They say it works well with alternative milks, too.
The Breville has an auto steam wand that lets you adjust milk temperature and texture. It also claims to deliver barista-quality microfoam. It is important to note the Breville is 21.8 pounds versus the De'Longhi at 23.2 pounds, so if weight is a factor, the Breville is the lighter of the two.
Good point. And both have integrated conical burr grinders with adjustable settings. De'Longhi has 13 adjustable settings. I couldn't find the setting on the Breville to compare.
One more thing, the Breville has a super fast 3-second heat-up time thanks to its thermojet system. That could be a big plus if you're always in a rush in the morning.
Ooh, good catch. The De'Longhi doesn't specify a heat-up time, so that's a win for Breville on speed. The De'Longhi is listed as renewed, so that might be a factor in the overall price.
Definitely something to consider. Overall, it sounds like the Breville is more about ease of use and speed, and the De'Longhi is about the sheer number of drink options and milk system. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.